Something's not right.
That's huge!
We need to be careful.
We have to protect them.
I'll light the way.
Something's wrong. We have to help.
I'm with you.
Hold on! We've got this! I see the way.
Careful, one step at a time.
I have the light. The river, it's blocked. Don't worry, we'll fix it. Hang on, little ones.
River! It's worse than we thought. And that crystal, it's trapped.
Stay close. We're entering its territory.
I see it. It's huge. We're too close. Stay sharp.
It's okay. We're not here to hurt you.
We just want to help.
Watch out!
I've got it. Careful, watch the flank. This way. Follow me. It's too strong. We need another way.
It's getting worse. Stay focused.
We can handle this. Whoa! Got you!
This should keep everyone safe.
Nice work, Bao. We move together.
I've got your back! It reacts when the energy touches here.
I see it too.
Just a little adjustment. Now we've got it.
Perfect timing.
We move together.
Let's do this as a team.
Hold steady. We've got this.
Keep your focus.
Stay sharp. Adjust your steps.
We've got this. Just follow the light.
I won't let anything hit them.
Won't let anything hit them. You're amazing, Ember. It's okay. We know you're hurt.
We're here to help, not fight. That's it! The crystal is trapped!
No wonder Umbra was struggling. It's the crystal causing this.
It's not you, Umbra. It's what's trapped inside.
We just need to free it. That's why you've been so upset. We stop here. We're not going to hurt you.
It's okay, Umbra. We'll fix this together.
We're here to help, not hurt. Let's set this right together.
Don't worry, Umbra. We'll get the crystal free.
We move together, step by step.
Everyone helps, and Umbra can trust us. It's free! The river can flow again!
We did it, Umbra. Everything's safe. You're safe now, Umbra, and so is the river.
Look how happy everyone is!
The river is peaceful again.
Everyone's safe and happy.
That was amazing!
You're fun now, Umbra.
We all make a great team.
The city is coming back to life. We're making everything safe again.
Look at everyone together again.
They're safe and happy. Here, try this. Yum!
Everything feels alive again.
And it's all because we work together.
New adventures are waiting!
Humans are waiting!
Let's go see what's out there.